Chaitanya Maske from class 6A, roll number 17, Buddhan International School, Jan. Today we are going to do an experiment based on solubility and insolubility of water. So let's get started. First we are going to make a lemonade to show the solubility of sugar and salt. So here we have sugar, salt and lemon and a spoon to mix and do the things. So first we are going to add sugar. So here is sugar, as you can see. It is 2 teaspoons sugar. We are going to stir it rapidly, but before stirring we are going to squeeze this lemon. Okay. Then we are gonna mix it thoroughly.
15 minutes later.
Now as you can see, there is no particle of sugar left behind. So we are gonna take some salt. As you can see, here is salt. We are gonna take very little salt. Actually we take only this much, but very little, very little. Then we are gonna just put it. Now the salt has dissolved completely, and as you can see, it seems like the salt and the sugar has disappeared. Let's see. And okay, so as you can see here, this is ceramic powder. This is not soluble in water, not that much. It is not actually. I am going to put ceramic powder. You stir it as long as you want, but the ceramic powder will not dissolve. So why does this?